Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about some interesting forex pairs. Please, I want you all to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also drop your thoughts in the comment section. For those interested in learning how to trade the forex market, I will drop my number in the description so you can hit me up on WhatsApp. Now, imagine what all you stand to gain with the knowledge you have in forex. There is absolutely no pairs that you will not be able to analyze properly. Always remember, one of the foundation in forex is discipline. If you can discipline yourself, then you can get every other thing right. I urge you all to stay to the end of this video so as to prepare yourself for a new trading week. And also don't forget to drop your favorite pairs you would like me to analyze in our next video. So let's quickly get started. Last week we discussed on US 30. We talked about the market breaking below, then retesting this point, then and also for a continuation to the downside. So last week when we broke below this zone, we didn't actually get to retest this exact zone here. So we consolidated a little at this point here before we broke below it and we came down. So even when we came down, we created a new lower low at this zone. Then we retested this one. We are supposed to push down to this board until we went into consolidation. So US 30 all through last week, we basically consolidated from this zone, this point to this point. So what I'll be expecting from the new week is for us to be able to break below this point, because if you check even from a 4-hour time frame, you notice that on US 30 we've been on a downtrend. So if we can be able to break below this zone, I'll be expecting a retest and a continuation to the downside. So my scenario for this week, would be us breaking below this zone, retest of this zone, then break below, retest, then a further continuation to the downside. That will be my scenario for going short on US 30 this week for the coming week. So also probably because of we are at this zone at the moment, so you can see a reversal to the upside on US 30, when you a continuation to the upside. So but I am more optimistic for the sales than a buy on US 30 because of we are actually on a downtrend. So these are actually what I will be expecting for US 30 this coming week. So quickly we'll move over to the gold. Gold also consolidated because we're actually market was supposed to just break above this point, retest and continue pushing to the upside, but it didn't do that, or probably break below this zone and a retest and a continuation to the downside. So we consolidated from this point to this because we are not able to create like a new higher high and a higher low, or a lower high and a lower low. So but the trade I took on the gold was simply this one. I took a trade on gold on Friday, which was where we broke above this zone. We are actually at this point, so I waited for the market to break above and show me a sign of retest. Then I'll be able to take the long position. So the market broke above, retested, and gave me a bullish engulfing, which is some of the criteria I need the market to show me before I'll be able to go into a trade. So when the market broke above, it retested this point, then I took a long position and I set my target at this point. Because of this was the level at which the market has been consolidating within the week. So we will not be able to break above this, or even when we broke above it little, we just went back inside. So I set my target at this point. Then my stop loss was slightly below the at the points where we tested from. So this market gave me close to 3:1, which was a decent trade. So this was a trade I took on gold. So for the new week, we'll be expecting the gold to either continue to push to the upside because now we've come back to the zone again, we'll be expecting a push to the upside or a break of this mini zone here, because we got, it was at this level that we got before the market pushed to the upside. At this point, market pushed to the upside. So I'll be expecting a break of this point, the retest, and a push to the downside. If not, I will be expecting a push to the upside, because now this is actually my TP1. I still have my TP2 here. So if the market, though I am out of this trade, but my TP2 is still upside up to this point. So if the market still give me a push, like probably in a new week, I'll be expecting a double bottom at this zone here, then I'll look for more entries to go long on gold. So for the short position, I'll be expecting a break of this zone, a retest of this level here, then a continuation to the downside. But for this week, for last week, sorry, my gold consolidated, so we've not been able to tell where the gold is actually driving at. So, but if I am to advise you, when trading gold, you have to be very careful, and also, you know, gold is actually volatile. So it's not a pair that you can dive into without having a good confirmations or a good entry. So quickly, we'll go over to the GBP USD. GBP USD gave us a strong bullish move. I was expecting a retest of this zone, a break above this zone, a retest, then a confirmation to the upside. But the market actually broke above it, but it didn't give me a retest. So this was one of the major reasons why I didn't take this trade. But it was actually a decent trade for people who followed it. So market broke above, we still got to this level, broke above the level. That was how we got even at this level. But I took a sharp scalp trade on GBP USD at this zone. When we got to this place, I noticed that the market started consolidating a bit. So immediately the market broke above this one here. I was now expecting the market to break above this zone. So when we broke above it, we retested, and I took a long position on 15 minutes time frame from this point. So I set my TP at this level because it was a sharp one. I didn't take much time on the trade. So I took, when immediately the market gave me what I wanted, I went off the chart. So for this new week, what we'll be expecting on GBP USD is quite simple. Since we are actually on a bullish move on GBP USD, I will try as much as possible not to go short. So it's either I wait for a consolidation at this point, then an entry to go long. Probably from this will be my TP1, and also this will be a TP2. So for a short position, I will wait for the market to come and break below this level here. So if the market doesn't break below that level, I will try as much as possible not to go short, because we are actually on a strong bullish move on GBP USD. So for this level, I'll be expecting a retest of this point, maybe like a double bottom. Then my first target will be this point, a retest of it. Then my second target will be this level. This will be my scenario to go long on GBP USD. Another scenario to go long is for me to kindly wait for the market to push above this level, retest, and up to this zone here. So if we break above this, I will also set a higher TP above it. So for a short position, I will wait for the market to kindly come down, retest this level here, then a push to the downside. But you know, because we are on a bullish move, it is quite risky to trade. So if you know you're going short on GBP USD, it should be a short for a short sales and not a long time sales. Unless we break this level here. If we are to break this level, this is where I'll be expecting market to retest, then probably to this downside, and for then GBP USD when going short. So kindly we'll move over also to Euro USD. For the Euro USD, about the market either retesting to up from this zone to the downside or to the breaking above the upside. So markets actually pushed up because of the Euro USD and the GBP USD they move alike. So the market pushed above this, retested this. Though I didn't take Euro this particular trade because I don't trade Euro USD. But this was a pair that if someone requested that I run an analysis on. So this was why I did the analysis which I made on Euro USD. So it went retested. So those who were able to follow up with the last video we dropped, they would have made a decent trade, almost 4:1 on this pair, this particular pair on Euro USD. So we broke above, we tested, and it went up to the this TP at this point, which we actually predicted for the last week. So for the new week, we'll be expecting, since we are on a bullish, we might actually see a push to the downside, then a continuation to the upside. So if the market should come back to this level here, we'll look for a strong opportunity or a strong candlestick pattern to go long. If not, I'll be expecting the market to get to this point, break above it, or to break above it for a continuation to the upside, or to show us like a double top at this level, then a continuation to push to the downside. Without wasting much time, someone else requested that I run an analysis and I talk about the USD JPY. Notice that USD JPY has broken below a major zone. So this was a zone that started from 2024. We came here December 2024, we tested it, pushed to the upside. We came here also at 2025 February. We pushed to the upside. Now we have broken below the zone here. So what I'll be kindly expecting from the USD JPY, I'll quickly use my Fibonacci tool here. So from the lower high down to this lower low. So I'll be expecting like a retest of this zone here. I'll be expecting a retest. This will be what I'll be expecting. A retest of this zone, then a continuation to the downside. So this level where we made our lower low, I will be expecting my first take profit, then we'll push to the downside. So that's how I'll be scaling down my profit for those who also will be taking this USD JPY pair trade for this new week. So this will be my scenario to go short on USD JPY. Except that I will try not to go short on USD JPY. I'll only go short if the market should come back to this zone to retest it and to show me a reversal candlestick chart pattern, like probably the bearish engulfing or the bearish variation candlestick pattern. So this will be my scenario to go short. Then for my scenario to go long on USD JPY, I'll kindly wait also for a break above it, a break above this zone, a retest, then a continuation to the upside on USD JPY. So this will also be my TP1. This will be my TP1. Then furthermore, I will also be scaling up to my TP2. So when these are few of the pairs which I will be looking out for this coming week. The US 30, we have the gold, we have the GBP USD, the Euro USD, the USD JPY. So I urge you all please to trade carefully. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click on the notification so that you get notified whenever I drop my videos. And also don't forget to drop your favorite pairs which you want me to analyze, just like I did on the Euro USD and the USD JPY. And from time to time I'll be dropping some new analysis and some tips for you to trade profitably. For those also interested in my mentorship, I will drop my number in the description down below, so you can be able to hit me up on WhatsApp. Then I'll add you up to my class where I teach people how to trade in forex market, because I don't show everything I do here, not everything, just like the way I plot my weekly zones and some of these zones here because of the time. So thank you all for staying all through to the end of this video. I will see you guys next week.